Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Harold, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Monday, September 23rd, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 73 degrees with sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the White Sox lost last night against the Tigers with the score of 6-3. The Cubs lost last night against the Cardinals with a score of 3-2. There are no announcements for today. Clubs meeting tomorrow morning are: our apprentices will meet at 8:25 a.m. in the art room. Have a majestic Minecraft Monday!